So I'm gonna start from the back here. You can see this is a round fish, so if I just go in and go straight down, you're gonna leave a whole bunch of meat along that backbone. So you've got to go at it from both sides. Just even strokes until you get to the backbone there. And then we're going to go from the bottom and do the same thing. Until we get to the backbone. And then, this has got a wicked hard pin bone here. Rib bone. So, tip of your knife. Hopefully, we'll just get that off that back bit of backbone there. Okay. Now you've got this rib bone attached to this bit of pin bone. That can be a bit difficult. I find this can work too. Just attach it first, and then you can go in and take that rib bone out. Just trim it up a little bit there. And then skin it. Okay. Now I got a tiny bit of skin here, that's no problem. Just a little bit of even pressure there. Now we still have this pin bone here, so we're just going to put our knife in alongside. Cut that strip out. And that's it.